चैतन्यमृतं मध्यलीला यस्य प्रसाद अग्निहोपि सद् सर्वज्ञाताङ्गये स चैतन्यदेव मे भगवान् प्रसीदतु वन्दे श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य नित्यानन्द गौरवे पुष्पवन्तो चित्रौदुन्दो तमनोमदो जयतां सुरतो पङ्गुर्मम मन्दमतेर्गते मत्सर्वस्य पदाम्बुजो श्रीरामनमः दिव्यारविन्दारणतपद्मनाथ रत्नाकरसनातनमस्तु श्री श्रीराधा श्रीरघुविन्द दिव्यो कृष्णादि विमानराधरदारमैवं श्रीवरदरस्थिता करसनवेणो शनैर्गोपी गोपीनाथ जय जय गौरचन्द्र जय कृपा सिन्धु जय जय श्रीसुता जय दीनबन्धु जय जय नित्यानन्द जय अद्वैतचन्द्र जय जय श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृन्द पूर्वे कहिन्वादि विराजसूत्रवान् राजित्तार्यते तातवृन्द अतएव तारणी सूत्रमात्र कहिनो जे किछु विशेषे सूत्रमध्ये कहिनो एवं वैसे श्रीराम मुक्त सूत्रवान् प्रभु रसे श्रीला नगाय वर्णन तार मध्य সেই ভাগ বৃন্দাবন চৈতন্য মঙ্গলে বিশ্রামী করিয়াছে বর্ণন সেই ভাগে ইহা সূত্র মাত্র লিখিব যাহা যে বিশেষ কিছু তাহা বিস্তারিত চৈতন্য লীলাবেশ দাস বৃন্দাবন তার আজ্ঞায় করতার উচ্ছিষ্ট চরণ ভক্তি করি শিরে ধরি তাহার চরণ শেষ লীলা সূত্র এবে করিবে করিয়ে বর্ণন 24 বৎসর প্রভুর গৃহে অবস্থান তাহা যে কৈত লীলা আদি লীলা 24 বৎসর শেষ সেই মাঘ মাস তার ভক্তি কিছু করিল সন্ন্যাস করিয়া 24 বৎসর অবস্থান যাহা যে তাহা যে বিরাকান শেষ লীলার মধ্যন্ত নাম হয় লীলাভেদে বৈষ্ণব সব নাম ভেদ কয় তার মধ্যে 6 বৎসর গমনাগমন নীলাচল গৌর সেতুবন্ধ বৃন্দাবন যাহা সেই লীলা তার মধ্য লীলা নাম আর পাছে লীলান্ত লীলা অভিধান আদি লীলা মধ্য লীলা অন্ত লীলা আর এবে মধ্য লীলা কিছু করিয়ে বিস্তার অষ্টাদশ বর্ষ কেবল নীলাচলে স্থিতি আপনি নাচুরি জীবী শিখাইল ভক্তি তার মধ্যে 6 বৎসর ভক্তগণ সঙ্গে প্রেম ভক্তি প্রবাহিল নিত্যবিত সঙ্গে নিত্যানন্দ গৌর গোসাই রে পাঠাইল বৃন্দ গৌর দেশে ইহ গৌর দেশ বসাইল প্রেম রসে
श्री श्री चैतन्य अमृता मध्यम लीला कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी with a humble mood he's saying even the person who doesn't have any knowledge they can get because that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu I pay my obeisances. So somebody who doesn't even have knowledge can immediately get knowledge simply by the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It's like in a like a form of a two flowers that sprouts out. It's like sun and the moon are side. who is in heart,
तमोजो अंधकार
Tamotar Ankar, who is got darkness in the heart,
उदित होकर
Nityananda Prabhu will destroy that darkness.
और इसके पश्चात समन्वय अधिष्ठात्री
So
दुर्गा
Chaitanya, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu are like the sun and the moon,
और प्रयोजन को अधिष्ठात्री
and they have come together to destroy the darkness in Jiva's heart. He's saying, he's Krishna Das Kaviraj is paying pranam to Radha Madan Mohan. So in Adi Leela,
जिस लीला कथा को चैतन्य लीला के व्यास वृंदावन दास ठाकुर ने वर्णन किया,
whoever the Vrindavan Das Thakur is glorified that katha, that so he's described that katha,
वृंदावन दास ठाकुर
the katha that Vrindavan Das Thakur left what he didn't mention in his book.
उचित रूप में चरित्र करके मानो वर्णन करके जा रहे हैं।
So Krishna Das Kaviraj,
चरण धूलि सिर पर धारण करके
he is
प्रार्थना करके
he's praying to all the Mahaprabhu, he's praying to all the Mahatmas, all the great personalities, that is taking the dust on his face, on his head, so that all the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes to him. 24 years he was in Sannyas Leela, and then 24 years he was in so the 24 years Chaitanya Mahaprabhu remained home, and his performed during that time are called the Adi Leela. That's the first 24 years of his life, and at the end of his 24 years he accepted the renounce of order of sannyas, and he lived in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stayed in Jagannath Puri, and then he spent some time in Vrindavan and some time in South India. Then the 18 years he stayed in Jagannath Puri. So like for the first 6 years of the second 24 years, he traveled around the India, like South India, Vrindavan. And then the rest of the 18 years he spent in Jagannath Puri. And he spent time in Gambhira with Swarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda. Like this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he spent time in Nilachal, that's Jagannath Puri. That's after taking sannyas, he went to Vrindavan. And then Nityananda came back, and then he went to Advaita Acharya's house, and that's where he met Sachidananda, Mother Sachi. He said, so Mother Sachi said, Sachi Mata said that don't go to Vrindavan, because Vrindavan is so far, I will never get news of you from there. So you stay in Jagannath Puri. If you stay in Jagannath Puri, then I can get some news from there about you. So he stayed in Nilachal. Nityananda Prabhu went to Gaur-Desh, and he went to Navadip Dham, and he gave instruction to Nityananda Prabhu to go to Gaur-Desh, and
महाप्रभु के आदेश से
So,
नित्यानंद
Nityanand Prabhu
प्रेम प्रदान करने
to
प्रदान करने
to give the dan, not to preach, but prema dan, to preach.
और विशेष करके चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So Nityanand Prabhu spent time in Bengal and he did
प्रशंसा और
his
चरण वंदना कर रहे हैं। चैतन्य गोसाई जाए बड़े बड़े भाई तेहम गए मोर प्रभु चैतन्य गोसाई।
So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ordered Nityanand Prabhu to distribute the distribute about the prem, Krishna Prem.
आज नित्यानंद प्रभु कहते हैं चैतन्य महाप्रभु मेरा इष्ट देव।
Nityanand Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to say that Nityanand Prabhu is his elder brother. But whereas Nityanand Prabhu addressed Sri Chaitanya Prabhu as his Lord. Actually, Nityanand Prabhu is no other than Balaram. So he always think of himself as a servant of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So if you chant Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, or if you do Kirtan of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, whoever is doing Nityanand Prabhu is saying, whoever is chanting chanting Mahaprabhu's glories and uttering his name, that person is my life and soul. So without any discrimination, Nityanand Prabhu spread Krishna Prem to the fallen souls. Like this. Rupa Sanatan and Sanatan came to Vrindavan by the order of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he gave 4 instructions to them that manifest the Dham, and Shri Vigraha Prakash, and Shri Vigraha Prakash, and manifest the Dham, and whatever the philosophies of the pure Vaishnava, to write about them. The Sanatan Goswami Prat, by the kripa of, he wrote Hari Bhakti Vilas, Priyat Bhagavatam, and he wrote Tika on chapter 10 of Srimad Bhagavatam. So he prakashed this Granth, and the Rupa Goswami and Rupa also Goswami, he compiled many books. So Rupa Goswami described the pastimes of Vrindavan in 1,00,000 verses.
हमारे भागवतपुत्र जीव गोसाई यतत भक्ति ग्रंथ विगा तारं तनाई रूप गोस्वामी पासी
Sri Rupa Goswami wrote he Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Madhura Mahatyam, Natak Varna, Govinda Virudavali, and many books he compiled. He wrote many books. Love Bhagavatam. His brother's son, Jiva Goswami. His brother's son, his nephew, Jiva Goswami. Anupama's son, Anupama Goswami's son, Jiva Goswami, who is Rupa Goswami's nephew. He wrote books like Bhagavad, Gopal Champu, and प्रभु संगे नित्य गीत परम उल्लास विदाय समय प्रभु कहिला भुवारे भक्तदास सवे गुंजिजा देवी वारी प्रभु राताय भक्तगण संतप्त आसिया गुंजिजा देखिया जाय प्रभु रे मिलिया नादोस वस्त्र जैसी कहिला बता गति अन्य दुहार बिना नहीं स्थिति तासे जेई रहे दास वस्त्र कृष्ण विहरिला प्रभु अंतर निरंतर रात्रि विरह उन्मादे हंसे कले नाचे गाए परम विषाद विकाले करे जगन्नाथ दर्शन मने भावी कुरुक्षेत्रे पाइयाछि मिलन रथयात्रा आगे जबे करे न कीर्तन कहाँ जेई पदमात्र करे गायन এই তো পরাণ তপাইনু জাগরি মদন ধমানি ধুরি গেলুম এই দুয়া গানে নাচি দ্বিতীয় প্রহর কৃষ্ণ দয়া বেড়ে যায় ভাবন্তর এইভাবে নিত্য মধ্যে পড়ে এক শ্লোক সেই শ্লোকের অর্থ দেওয়া নাই বুঝিল Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Jagannath, he stayed in Jagannath Puri with many devotees used to come to have his darshan. Some devotees used to stayed with Jagannath Puri for 4 months in Jagannath Puri with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And then after the end of 4 months, Mahaprabhu used to say, leave them and then say, please come again next year. So, this first year, Mahaprabhu, 18 years, he used to stay in, like similar, like he used to be in Gundicha festival. Similarly, like when Uddhav came to Braj and Radharani was in Madan Mohan in the very deep separation mood, that mood he used to have in Gundicha temple. And he used to dance in the front of Jagannath, Rath Yatra, Jagannath, Bhagwan Jagannath. When they used to have darshan of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and the mood that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had during the was the same mood that he had. That it was the same mood that the gopis, how the gopis saw Krishna in Kurukshetra after a long separation.
ठीक उसी प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So similar to that mood, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in the mood of Radharani.
अंग हस्तादि संचालन के द्वारा आपको समाज के तीन जो है विश्वानंदिनी श्रीमती राधिका
Vrishabhanu, there's three Radhika.
उनके दो प्रकार है
Vrishabhanu, Samyogini and Sangyogini.
ठीक उसी प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So similarly, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
संयोगिनी
Sanjyogini Radha, in that mood of Radha, Samyogini Radha.
এইভাবে নিত্যমতে পরে এক শ্লোক সেই শ্লোকে আপনাকে নাই বুঝে लो विशेष करके रथयात्रा के समय महाप्रभु स्वरूप दामोदर के द्वारा जो श्लोक जो है सही तो पढ़ना तो पानी में जहाँ लगी मदर ने दहन प्रयास को जब स्वरूप दामोदर कीर्तन करते थे महाप्रभु अत्यंत उद्दंड होकर के नृत्य आरंभ करते इस श्लोक के तात्पर्य
Used to dance. When Lord Chaitanya used to sing, especially during the later part of the day, he would think, let me take Krishna back to Vrindavan. That mood was always filled in his heart.
हमारे विद्यावती चंडीदास उसी कथा को चैतन्य महापुरुष स्मरण करके
when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to listen to that sloka, he used to dance. There's one sloka.
तत्र सुरत व्यापार लीला विधो रेवा मुदसी मुदसी तुतुरी जीत संस्कृति है कापो प्रकाश है हस्त दर्पण इस ग्रंथ के श्लोक महाप्रभु बार-बार उच्चारण करते हैं
This slok he used to recite again and again. In Jagannath, he was dancing in front of Jagannath Bhagwan, and he used to dance with it and remember this slok. For example, in Nayaka and Nayaki, the mother, the man and the wife's mood. There's a mood in this slok. So
भक्त के चित्त के मन जो है क्या बोलते सिरादेश है कि महापुरुष सन्यासी होकर के
so they were thinking, the bhaktas were thinking that Mahaprabhu is in the sannyas. Why is he residing this mundane slok? So like a woman who is married, when she's married and she's come to her in-laws' house, and the sakhis are around her, and they're saying, you have come to your in-laws' house, like when so when she goes back to her mother's house, then the girls are asking him that now you married or gone to your in-laws' house, tell us what is it like. So she's saying, this person who I got married to, but before married, I was meeting him, like I was meeting him before married. I was meeting him like chup in hidden way. I was meeting him, but the prem was there, like you see nowadays in the Facebook. कहाँ England and America from Facebook they meet. Or well, Facebook you send a message in England, the message gets to America. At that time there was no Facebook. She's saying, before I got married, we used to meet, me and my husband used to meet together, and we used to meet and like in a kunj, like in a, and nearby there was flower garden, the malatis, all the fragrance of the flowers. So the it used to, it used to wake up this calm in our heart by having this smell of these flowers. And Madhur, and it was like moon nights, or in the month of Chaita, the moonlight, the light from the moon, that place became very lighted up, and we used to sit together there and the whole night, and we used to hug each other all night. And we used to speak. It's like how the four hours used to pass by. But now I got married to him. If that she didn't get married, then that sansar is hell. Like we see, you left. Like sometimes somebody is in love with somebody, and then she gets married, and the parents get her married to somebody else. Then what happens to her married life? Her married life is like hellish, like you see in the movies, you see in the cinemas or YouTube, that so many years that she was in love with another boy, but the parents said, oh, the boy is not good, so the parents got her married to somebody else. Then what happens to that boy and girl? And still in hiding, behind the back, behind her husband's back, she still sees that boy because she was in love with her. That's what happens. Or sometimes they commit suicide. Sometimes they or drown in the river, or die them, hang themselves. What I'm saying here is, first it's loved and beloved, and then we got married. Now we are married. But there's no happiness in this marriage life. Then when we used to meet in hiding, like in that anand we had is not the same anand now. So you can see that this katha is like, it's mundane. Sakhya or Parakya. In this, Sakhya is what is the fault in the Sakhya? You're meeting, you're meeting, you can see the faults in each other. Like this bitterness. Sakhya, Sakhya is like married life. You see each other's fault. And there's bitterness. Wherever we see Sakhya, there is a bitter, then after a bit, and they keep on seeing faults in each other. In the Parakya, what happens? We meet, and they meet only at sometime.
समाज के अनुशासन से, भय से,
Because of the Samaj, with the society. So it's not like they can
इसलिए वो
meet.
घर में एक चमत्कारिक तरह है।
So
इस जगत में परत्याग या नरक का है।
So here in this Jagat, we say Parakya will take you to hell,
इस जगत में
but in Aparakya, transcendental Parakya is superior.
याद है? परक्या में
In the Parakya,
परक्या में विशेष 4 वस्तु क्या है?
what are the 4 things in Parakya? The important
कामकता, वामनता,
Vamanka,
निवारणता,
Lilakanta, Sugalabhata, Sugalabhata.
सत्या में नहीं था।
Sakya में
इसलिए वो इसे
Sakya,
चैतन्य महाप्रभु की श्लोक से
Swakya,
क्यों उच्चारण
Swakya,
करें? सत्यापेक्षा
Swakya,
प्रत्यक्ष के भाव के जो
Parakya.
उल्लासमय जो है,
The
उसके चिंतन करें।
so
जो ये जो परक्या
here Mahaprabhu is
is
this is the mood the gopis have in Vrindavan. The queens in Dwarka don't have this mood. Sakyata is in Dwarka and Mathura, but Aprakya. With the gopis in Vrindavan, it is Parakya. In Mathura and Dwarka is Swakya. Swakya is married. Queens are married. Like gopis, some are married. They are married.
और विशेष करके वो समस्त ब्रजमुखियों की पुत्र कन्यादि नहीं है, जैसे कि देखा है।
Also, you can see these gopis didn't have.
आज ये विशेष वैशिष्ट्य देखा है। विवाह होने पर ही
Even they were married, the gopis were married,
अपने अपने पतियों के साथ
but
मिलन नहीं
they didn't meet their husbands.
है, ये समस्त दिखाया है। ये समस्त वर्णन दिया है। इसलिए महाप्रभु इस श्लोक की क्यों
Then why did Mahaprabhu recite? Why was he reciting this slok? Swakya Parakyati Bhav. Because of he was saying this with and the speciality and superiority of Parakya Bhav.
ये जो श्लोक के अर्थ जो है
Who could understand the meaning of this slok?
इस श्लोक के अर्थ जाने
Only Rupa Goswami, only Rupa Goswami could understand the meaning of this slok.
इस श्लोक के उच्चारण कर रहे थे जो कुमार उस्ताद रूप गोस्वामी पाद भी उपस्थित थे। इसलिए रूप गोस्वामी पाद उस श्लोक के अर्थ
Rupami was present there, so he understood what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying.
इस श्लोक को न रचना की आगे की कथा बताएंगे। प्रभु मुखे श्लोक सुनी श्री रूप गोसाई श्री श्री अर्थ श्लोक परिला तथाई श्लोक करिए ताल पत्र से लिखिया आपन बसाल चले राखिल गुंजिया श्लोक राखी केला समुद्र स्नान करिते धन काले आइल प्रभु ताहारे मिलिते हरिदास ठाकुर श्री रूप सनातन जगन्नाथ मंदिरे ना जाए निजम महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ उपभोग उपाल भोग देखिया निज गृह जान तीरे रे मिलिया এই দিনের মধ্যে যাবে থাকে যেই জন তারে আসি আপনার মিলে প্রভুর নিয়ম দৈবে আসি প্রভু যাবে উদ্ধরতে চাইলা চালে গোজা তালপত্র সেই শ্লোক পাইলা শ্লোক পড়িয়া আসি প্রভু আবিষ্ট হইয়া रूप गोसाई आसी पड़े दंडवत भया उठी महाप्रभु तारे चापड़ मारिया হইতে লাগলে কিছু বলেতে করিয়া মোর শ্লোকে অভিপ্রায় না জানে কোন জনে মোর মনের কথা তুমি জানিবে কে মনে এত বলি তারে বহু প্রসাদ করিয়া স্বরূপ গোসাইনে শ্লোক দেখাইয়া স্বরূপে পুছে প্রভু ইহা বিস্মতে তোমার মনের কথা আরু জানিল কেমতে মোর মনের কথা রূপ জানিল কেমতে স্বরূপ কয়ে যাতে জানিল তোমার মন তাতে জানি হয় তোমার কৃপার ভজন প্রভুকে তারে আমি সন্তুষ্ট হইয়া আলিঙ্গন করিল সর্বশক্তি সঞ্চারিয়া যোগ্য পাত্র হয় গুড় রস বিবেচনে তুমিও কইব তারে গুড় রসাখ্যানে এসব কথা কইব তারে বিস্তারিত করিয়া সংক্ষেপে উদ্দেশ্য করিল प्रस्ताव पाया कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी कार्य ये महाप्रभु के अभिप्राय जानकर के तथा श्लोक के अनुसार रूप गोस्वामी पास श्लोक रचना
this only Rupa Goswami who could understood this slok, and then and Rupa Goswami wrote it. So this is a very beautiful slok that was written by Rupa Goswami. In Kurukshetra, when Radhaji met Krishna, and the Sakhi started to ask Radhaji, did you was the so she this is the Sakhi is asking the question to Radhika that now you met Krishna, is there happiness? So Radharani is saying, hey Sakhi, I am the same Radha and he is the same Krishna. We are meeting in Kurukshetra. But Radha, I am the same Radha. And he seems, but the happiness is, but the happiness, the happiness is not same, is not anandit, it's not. तथापि अंतःकरण मधुरी मुरली पंचमजुषे मन में कालिंदी विनो कितना रसती किंतु देखो वृंदावन में if we look in the Vrindavan by the bank of Yamuna, by that beautiful kunj we used to meet, that Anand we used to have that was that like we are meeting in Vrindavan on our own. There, because there in Vrindavan, Krishna is a flute, and we used to speak so nicely, and he used to play flute there in Vrindavan. That Pulini, by the bank of Yamuna, there is Govardhan, in Vrindavan, Tamal Vriksha, Tamal trees. Pilu, Kadamba tree. What is the wishes, the special trees of Vrindavan is Tamal. One is what puspa? Which puspa? Which flower? Calicut. These flowers are very beautiful. The Vrindavan flowers. I have eagerness to go in that same place. कहाँ गोपवेश कहाँ निर्जन वृंदावन श्री भाव से कृष्ण से वृंदावन जब पाई तबे भाई वांछित पुराण the vow of the Mahaprabhu, that Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he's performing kirtan in front of Lord Jagannath, he's got this mood, is that same mood that Radhaji has when she's meeting in
अब एक
Kurukshetra,
दूसरे के
"Hey Krishna,
त्याग देकर के छोड़ करके आप वृंदावन में चले।
come
क्योंकि
leave this
छत्र जाए
Kurukshetra,
उससे
come to Vrindavan."
है।
She's
यहाँ पर
here,
हाथी,
Kurukshetra,
घोड़े
there's elephants
और
and there's
अनेक
horses,
सेनापति और
and
आदमी
there's many armies,
जिनके हाथी के
armies,
चिन्हार है।
army people,
घोड़े के जो पश्चात
the horses
और रथों की
and the chariot
घर 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 शब्द
and the awaj, the noise the chariot is making.
हिदायत विधान का है। लेकिन still there was कष्ट से हुआ है। और वृंदावन कैसे
And that gives
कहाँ गोपी
ways Vrindavan, ways Gopaves, your Raja. Here in Kurukshetra you're a king, but in Vrindavan you're a Gopa. You have, and you're such a beautiful there in three, bended in three forms. And you got a peacock feather on your head, and you got a Valmala, you got a mala, flowers mala around your neck. And where there is a beautiful kunj by the bank of Yamuna, the fragrance of flowers, you feel it. All the koils are singing, Mayur, peacocks are dancing. All the beautiful flowers, Madhavi, Malati, the fragrance is around. And it was all the bees, the bumblebees are all wandering around, flying around in these flowers. That Vrindavan, let's go back to Vrindavan, come to Vrindavan. Srimati Radhika is saying, in the Radha is saying in a very humble mood, my man, so she's saying, you have kripa and come back to Vrindavan. That is my desire. Similarly, like that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had this mood and he is dancing. Sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he would recite one slok where gopis in the Mandasa, like they were Ula is like chastising Krishna.
जब कृष्ण
then he said, he spoke to them a Gyan Yoga, like meditate on yoga, to Krishna, gopis. Like he said, the Gyani look, the yoga, the sadhana they do, the yogis, like they meditate and they concentrate and they meditate on Ishwar. They meditate on Ishwar, one-pointed. In their meditation, Ishwar come and they get darshan of. So they have darshan of Thakurji, so they don't have any vira. Vira means they don't have any separation. If they do meditation and have that darshan of Bhagwan. So Krishna is saying, why don't you meditate like yogis? Because I am eternal. I am everywhere. I am Bhagwan. I am Sarvat, means I am everywhere.
योगी
The
लोग
yogis,
मुझे परमात्मा के रूप में स्वीकार करते हैं।
yogis look at me as Paramatma. Paramatma.
कोई स्थान नहीं परमात्मा नहीं।
That there is no place where Paramatma is not there. He's a super soul.
एक अंतर्बाहिक
Inside.
परमात्मा है। इसलिए जो लोग परमात्मा के ध्यान
So like that, yogis are meditating on Paramatma
सुख में वो डूब जाते हैं।
and they are absorbed in that.
मयि भक्ति भूतानां मृत्युकार्त सर्वते दक्षिण मदापि भवतनां मदापनम्। भगवान कृष्ण
Bhagwan
गोपियों की
Krishna,
उद्देश्य करके ये श्लोक भी लिखा है।
he said this look.
मयि भक्ति भूतानां मृत्युकार्त सर्वते। मेरे प्रति भक्ति ही क्या है?
What is bhakti?
इस प्रकार अमृत
Like Amrit, the nectar. You know, if you take nectar
चित्त मन प्रसन्न रहता है।
and you have happiness in your heart,
उसी प्रकार वही भक्ति मेरे प्रति भक्ति
like who takes my bhakti,
अमृत है।
it's like my bhakti is Amrita.
दक्षिण में कौन आदि अवधि नाम का मेरे प्रति जो आप लोग ये स्नेह ममता आदि
The sneha and the mamta you have for me,
इसके फलस्वरूप आप लोग बहुत दूर देश से यानी ब्रज से
you've come to Kurukshetra so far from Braj, Vrindavan to meet me, but
आप लोग मेरे विरह में जब तड़प रहे हैं
you are in such a mood of you are suffering in the separation.
मन की जो संजीत
That is your mind, you know, because of your mind, that's a separation. So pacify your mind. If your mind is, you know, with mind, because of the mind we have suffering. So, because we have tattva gyan. If you have gyan,
ज्ञान की अभाव होने पर
if you have tattva gyan, we have this suffering in the because of our mind.
संसार अनित्य है
Like sansar is,
किंतु संसार के नित्य ज्ञान करके आप उसमें रहते हैं।
we are absorbed in this material life,
इसी प्रकार से अनेक भक्त
and that's why we have disturbance in our mind.
संसार के जीव दुखित
But
क्यों हैं?
why is people suffering in this material
संसार
world?
के नित्य मानते हैं।
Because they think material life is eternal. They think that material life is theirs. You know, like it's absorbed. It's nit means it's. They don't think material life is temporary. It's nit. It's like
जीवन विगत करे कथा रमेश तुम्हारे भाव आँख बंद हो जाए
if your eyes, you shut your eyes, then you yes.
रावण के शरण
So when you die, everything will be stayed here, like you know, like
क्या बोले लंका कहाँ
Lanka. What happened to Lanka? Ravan's Lanka.
रावण कुछ लेकर के गए
Did Ravan take anything with him? Nothing.
तो इसी प्रकार जिसके
So
आत्मा
it's like
ज्ञान हो
that.
जाता है
Whoever's got Atma Gyan, Tattva Gyan, they know the Gyan of Atma, then they have no, then they have no suffering.
आप लोग तब तक
So Krishna is saying to gopis that you have Tattva Gyan. Yeah.
इस प्रकार कृष्ण अनेक जो है
Like Krishna spoke all, he spoke so much about all this Dhyan, Yoga
और दूसरी बात है
and
संसार के लोग दुखी क्यों हैं?
why, second thing,
अपने माता पिता
why are these suffering, people in material world suffering? Because they think they have got, actually they don't have any relation because they get so attached to their mother and father that today we are here and tomorrow we may not be here. That is the truth.
शब्द हम काल के द्वारा सब वहाँ मिलित हुए
But
कृष्ण गोपियों के साथ कहेंगे गोपियों
Krishna is telling to
देखो,
gopis,
आप
hey
लोगों के साथ
gopis,
हमारी विच्छेद जो है
whatever relationship,
से परेशान है।
the separation that's
इसमें
here
हमारी
between,
कोई दोष नहीं है
it's not our fault.
ये किसके दोष है?
Whose fault is it? Whose fault is it?
ये सब ईश्वर ही सबको करा देते हैं।
It's Ishwar, Bhagwan. Ishwar does this.
ईश्वर की इच्छा से हम सब
Everything, with the desire of Ishwar, we are separated, and then with desire of Krishna, we meet again.
जैसे उदाहरण दे रहे हैं
For example,
घास
there is a grass, you know, grass.
नदी का समुद्र के स्रोत में से डाल दीजिए
If you put grass in the river, in the river,
एक साथ में वो चलता है।
and then within
इसके
2
बाद
minutes it will start,
वो अपने आप स्प्रेड हो जाता है।
like a bunch of grass, you put it in the river, and then with time, then automatically in time, when the river is flowing, this grass is moving in different direction. You put some grass in the river, and then for a little while they stay together, and then automatically by the flow of the wave of the river, it will separate, go in the different direction. Sometimes this grass meets again, but sometimes some grasses don't meet at all. And then if the river goes into the ocean, then what happens to this grass? It goes. When the waves come in the ocean, then with the waves that carry this grass somewhere else, and in the waves, with these waves, this grass goes so many different places, like it goes away. So like I saw in California, there was tufan, like there was a storm. All the trees fell down. And then after 2 days we walked on the bank of ocean, on the beach, and we saw there were so many trees fallen down by the beach. So like that, jeeves, all the jivas, they are moving in the cycle of birth and death, like gumta, like a circle. So like millions of jivas, they are just wandering around like that. If you look at the Surya's kiran, we can't see the kiran. When you see the light, the sunlight come, you can see so many dust, like you see so much dust. So like that, jivas are also like just wandering around from this Brahman. In the ocean. So like two jeeves meet together, and they have mamata, they have attachment. They meet one like one's parents, fathers, children, brothers, and then again they separate. So Bhagavan is giving that example. It's like big it's the ocean, and then suddenly island appears. And then in that island, by looking, then trees grow, and then all the birds start coming. Birds start making a nest in the trees in that island. Yeah. So like if you look at Australia, Australia is Mahadvip is the biggest island. Mahadvip means Australia. Australia is the biggest island. It's surrounded by water. Pacific and Indian Ocean. So it's surrounded by water. Australia, New Zealand. So where did this mud come from? Like if there is a tufan, there is a tornado. What does the tornado do? And then island again, Dubdai, is the island also, it goes into the ocean.
आज बिल्डिंग
all the
कहाँ दस्त करेगा,
all the building
मिट्टी भी कहाँ चले जाएगी,
where there's a muddy will be in the storm, and then everything is destroyed.
ठीक उसी प्रकार कृष्ण कहने लगे, देखो
So like that, Krishna is saying with time and circumstances, sometimes the jeeves get together and sometimes they separate. So he's saying, Bhagavan, hey gopis, you are looking fault in me, you are getting angry with me. It's not in my hand. It's not in our hand. This is just because of the time and circumstances. We are meeting and we are separating. We are separating. But one gopi said, but gopi, but you have the mood, the bhav you have for me. Because you have get mamta, you got so much attachment, mamta with me. Like that, he used to pacify gopis. But what happened to the gopis? Gopis got even more angry. So listening to that katha from Krishna, actually their anger grew even more. And the gopis are saying, especially Radhika is saying, Hey Krishna, do you know how to, you don't know how to behave with the you don't know what instructions to give to that person. Does that dhyan? Did you teach us dhyan? You are teaching us dhyan. We are doing dhyan. Who are you? You are teaching us to meditate or your lotus feet? No, go and teach the people who are in this material world. You teach them that if they do meditate on you, then they will be delivered from this material world. The chin, the chin, chakra, you know the chakra chin, the symbols you have on your lotus feet. If you get, by meditating on the symbols on the Krishna's lotus feet, then your material life is you are delivered from this material life. By the desire of Bhagavan, we are. But the china and the symbols of Bhagavan, if you meditate on that, then automatically our material life is destroyed. Like we overcome this material life. So Krishna said, meditate on that. Meditate on my lotus feet. Then all your suffering will end. Like yogis are meditating. Then gopis are saying, Hey Krishna, you don't have gyan. Who to give? If we start meditating on your lotus feet, then in our heart we suffer even more. But the people do. But in the material life, if people meditate on that, then their suffering ends. Their suffering. But gopis are saying, if we meditate on your charan, your lotus feet, then we want to forget your lotus feet, because if we meditate on it more, then we suffer more. Because your lotus feet. Like you are walking, you got soft lotus feet, and you are walking, are you not having any pain in your lotus feet? In Gopi Gita, there's a beautiful slok that says, if we meditate on your lotus in this lotus dhyan kare, we have so much pain in our heart.
योगेश्वरी विचिंता अगाध बोध, अगाध बोध संपन्न ब्रह्मा जो है उनको ध्यान सिखाओ।
Go and teach Brahma. Go and teach them how to do dhyan.
गोपियों की नहीं,
Go and teach them how to do meditation. Don't teach gopis.
योगेश्वरी विचिंता अगाध बोध संसार को अपनी उत्तरावलंबनम ये हम दिशा मुबी
Gopis are saying in Chaitanya Amrita.
नहीं गोपी 10 मिनट नहीं जा संसार को खाता। अरे गोपियों में देह स्मृति नहीं,
Gopis are not.
तो संसार को कहाँ गए? संजीवों के दुख के कारण क्या है?
What is the reason for the suffering of the jivas?
देहात्म इस शरीर में
They are in this.
आत्मबुद्धि रखता है।
They keep attachment to this body.
मैं ये शरीर,
I am this body,
मैं एक आत्मा।
or I am an atma. If you think
देह और आत्मा के भेद कर नहीं पाते,
you don't know the difference between the body and the atma, the jivas don't know the difference between the body and the atma, and they become bhokta, they become the enjoyers. They think, yes, that is the truth. Because they want to, they become the enjoyers.
И поэтому это настроение наслаждающееся в материальном мире приводит к страданию, потому что
तो इसी प्रकार भागवत के चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Like this, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is proud.
जगन्नाथ जी के सामने
He's having all these moves in front of Jagannath, Lord Jagannath.
भागवते श्लोकार्थ परिया विचार्या रूप गोसाई श्लोक कइलो लोक बुझाया। এই রূপ মহাপ্রভু দেখে জগন্নাথে, সুভদ্রা সূর্য দেখে বংশী नहीं हाथे। इस प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु भाव में अभिष्ट होते हैं। जब भाव सिद्ध होते हैं, भाव चले गए, तब देखा क्या जगन्नाथ जी के साथ सुभद्रा।
And he saw Jagannath, Subhadra,
पहले क्या देखा? जगन्नाथ को नहीं देख रहे, क्या
and he
देखा?
saw Jagannath. First he saw Jagannath as Samsundar,
फिर अभी क्या
and then
देखा?
afterwards,
जगन्नाथ के साथ कौन है?
who is with Subhadra? He saw Subhadra with
जीवन
Jagannath.
सुंदर बने ब्रजनंदन, कहाँ पापो कहाँ पंछा कयो नुक्खन। अस्मय महाप्रभु हृदय
In the Mahaprabhu's Hriday, he had
क्योंकि
pain,
गोपियों की विष्णु
Vice.
के राधादी गोपियों की
especially
भाव क्या है?
the mood that Gopis and Radharani has. Which darshan of Krishna they want.
दिग्विजय चमोली और बंसीधारी हो,
Bansidhari, he should be holding the flute.
उल्लास होता है, आनंद होता है।
Then they have Anand in their heart.
सिर पर मोर पंखा नहीं रहे, हाथ में जड़ी,
If the Krishna, there was no flute or had no peacock feather on their
और
head,
श्री कृष्ण
then the
चैतन्य
gopis.
महाप्रभु करे, कहाँ पापो कहाँ पंछा कयो
So,
राधिका अनुमादि से उद्धव दर्शने उद्घटना प्राप्त इच्छे प्रभु रात्रि दिने दादर बसर शेष होइछे कुआइल এই মতো শেষ লীলার বিধান করিল সন্ন্যাস করিল 24 বছর যে কইল যে কর্ম অনন্ত পাতার কি জানিবে মর্ম উদ্দেশ্য করিতে করি দিগদর্শন মুখ্য মুখ্য লীলার করি সূত্রধন প্রথম সূত্র প্রভু সন্ন্যাস করণ সন্ন্যাস করি চলিলা প্রভু বৃন্দাবন প্রেমেতে বিহর বাজ্য নাহিক স্মরণ রাড়া দেশে 3 দিন করিলা ভ্রমণ নিত্যানন্দ প্রভু মহাপ্রভুরে বুলাইলা গাইলা গঙ্গা তীরে লয়া গেলা যমুনা করিলা শান্তিপুরে আচার্যের গৃহাগমন প্রথম ভিক্ষা কইল তাহা রাত্রে সংকীর্তন মাতা ভক্ত করে তাহা করিল মিলন সর্বসমাধান করি কইল নীলাদ্রি গমন পথে লীলা পথে নানা লীলা সব দেব দর্শন মাধবপুরীর কথা গোপাল স্থাপন খিচুড়ির কথা সাক্ষী গোপাল বিবরণ নিত্যানন্দ কইল প্রভুর দণ্ড ভঞ্জন ক্রুদ্ধ হইয়া একা গেল জগন্নাথ দেখিতে देखिए आमुचित होइया परिला भूमिते महाप्रभु सन्यास ग्रहण के उपरांत जब वृंदावन को चले लगे नित्यानंद प्रभु
When Vrindavan, Mahaprabhu was going to Vrindavan, then what did Nityanand Prabhu? Nityanand Prabhu brought him back to Sandipur. Then he met Sandipur, and there Mahaprabhu met Sachi Devi in Sandipur. I mentioned that earlier.
महाप्रभु लीलाद्री गमन वर्णन होते जा रहे हैं।
He was doing
इस संक्षेप में इस अध्याय में वर्णन हो रहा है। ये कैसे महाप्रभु
how Mahaprabhu
चलने लगे,
started to walk.
उनके दंड को
And how did Nityanand do? Nityanand got his danda and broke it and threw it in the river.
और रास्ते में माधवेंद्रपुरी
And then Madhavendra Puri. There is a katha about Sakshi Gopal, Madhavendra Puri.
फिर चैतन्य महाप्रभु जगन्नाथपुरी में
When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was present in Jagannath,
महाप्रभु कैसे आलिंगन करने के दौड़े
and how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he had darshan of Jagannath, and he started to run, to hug Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and the pujari stopped him, the pandit stopped him.
महाप्रभु के अंग में
Eh,
ये समस्त दिव्य अष्टादि विकार देकर के विस्मित शास्त्र में लिखा है
In Shastra is written, in
ऐसे
Manusmriti,
अष्टादि विकार न होना है। तब उसमें सारू भट्टाचार्य महाप्रभु के
Sarva Bhattacharya.
अपने घर में
Yeah. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in Jagannath temple, he was in ecstasis mood, and then Sarva Bhattacharya brought Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to his house, and then he was staying there in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said,
ये देखो ये महापंडित सारू भट्टाचार्य
he said, Sarva Bhattacharya, he gave me ashra, he gave me a home. And then Nityananda Prabhu said, you gave him ashra or he gave you ashra? Did he give you shelter or you gave him shelter? Because before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Sarva Bhattacharya gave me shelter.
और नित्यानंद क्या करे
And Nityananda said, Sarva Bhattacharya said, I gave Mahaprabhu shelter. But Nityananda Prabhu is saying, no, who gave you shelter? Actually, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave you shelter to Sarva Bhattacharya.
और सारू भट्टाचार्य कहने लगे
Sarva Bhattacharya said, what is the reason?
क्योंकि तुम वेदांत अध्ययन नहीं किया
Because you are Vedanta, he's saying to Nityananda
इसलिए
Prabhu,
मालूम हो
that's why you're mad. You are mad because when your Siddhanta is, if you are very pakka, in your Siddhanta, then there would be no foolishness. No, that I am a great sannyasi, I know all the Vedanta Gyan.
शंकर भास्कर जी के श्रवण करने पर हमारे साथ
It won't be good. Yes, if you are meditating on the Sankar and then, if you attain sannyas.
नारद परिव्राज परिषद पर
Narad Puritra Upanishad. Narad Upanishad. That's the book you should read after sannyas. Narad Upanishad. Then you will have Vairagya,
और वैराग्य के बाद
detachment.
शास्त्र ज्ञान है। वैराग्य
Then after
संकर
Vairagya,
पंक्ति में क्या होता है?
then you have Shastra again. You read Shastra.
क्या बोले अधिकारी वेदांत अध्ययन के अधिकारी कौन बनता है
Who becomes the Adhikari of Vedanta? Sankaracharya is saying in Vedanta,
सन्यास के अधिकारी वही बनता है
who can be sannyasi and Adhikari are the four. They have
चार
four.
प्रकार के गुण होने पर
They should have four qualities.
वेदांत दर्शन के अधिकारी
Then they will be Adhikari. They will be qualified for Vedanti or sannyas.
पहले जो है
First is
संसार की अनिश्चितता ज्ञान करें
you have to have first
मुक्ति की इच्छा
you should have ichcha. You should have desire to just have mukti. I want nothing else other than mukti. And the second is that,
विशेष करके स्त्री जाति के ऊपर अत्यंत जो है घृणित ज्ञान होनी चाहिए
like for example,
है उसमें लिखा है,
it's written that you should have no
क्योंकि संसार के बंधन तो ऐसे आता है।
attachment with women at all, because the attachment in this material world comes through women.
हैं?
следовать
जिस
правилам,
भक्षण हो गई
чтобы не иметь никаких
वही तो होता है। विष पान करके मरना अच्छा है।
желаний,
Even drinking poison.
которые
अच्छा फिर गाला करे तीन लोग हम बिगड़ जाएंगे।
в
हाँ?
этом материальном мире.
पहले डिस्कंटिन्यू से बहुत आपके नहीं है उसमें जो है
For example,
अद्वैतवाद के दाव
Advaita,
आपको जरूर याद
this slok, I don't know which the slok is.
आज समझ में नहीं है इसके नित्य अनित्यता ज्ञान
Yeah.
है और एकमात्र तुम्हारे हृदय में क्या रहेगा
Who will stay in your heart will be,
मुक्ति की
you'll have desire for mukti, Brahmaling. You want to attach with Brahmaling.
И поэтому
आज
кто
आपके हृदय में रहेगा
And then you have,
108 ब्रह्मलीन
you'll have, it's so art, Brahmaling, like you'll have this desire just to merge with Bhagwan, Brahman, and Moksha. This is it, Brahmaling.
नित्य अनित्यता विवेक ज्ञान नित्य वस्तु अनित्य वस्तु
Nitya.
इस संसार में जो कुछ देखते जा रहे हैं
What they will
सब
say
अनित्य है।
is, what this material world is not true, it's false.
и также
They think that material world is false.
जीव ब्रह्म ही पर नाम रहा
Jiva is Brahman. That is the main philosophy.
पंथी के
Shankaracharya's main philosophy is, Tattva is, slok is that
ब्रह्म सत्तर जगत
Brahma is Satta, Brahma is truth, and
कोई वस्तु नहीं ब्रह्म ही है।
there is nothing like for Jivas. There is nothing that is Jivas. Everything is Brahma, everything is Brahman. There is only one Brahman. Brahma is one God,
वो माया के द्वारा
and then
आवृत होकर के
because of
अपने
Maya,
के
потому что находясь
जीव परिचय दिया
so because of Maya, that Brahman thinks is Jiva. So when
которая вводит в
बस
заблуждение.
एक ब्रह्म लेकर जीव क्या माया हट जाए
if Maya is removed
Но если убрать
ये होता नहीं वो रामकृष्ण
in Ramakrishna Ramayana,
तो पहले राम जा रहे हैं
then he says Ram is going.
क्या सीता देवी उसके पीछे कौन है
After
लक्ष्मण।
behind her is Sita Devi, and then behind Sita Devi is Lakshman. So
माया
Ram is Brahman and Maya, Sita is Maya and Lakshman is Jiva.
ये सीता को हटा दिया
So
जाए
if you move,
तो
if you
लक्ष्मण
move,
कहाँ से मिल जाएंगे
so if you remove Sita, then Lakshman will meet Ram, right? So this is the examples they give.
ज्यादातर अद्वैतवादी लोग जो
This
है
Advaita, they give this example.
बड़े बड़े जो क्या बोले कीर्तन जो करते हैं प्रचारक होते हैं
When they are preaching,
когда они проповедуют,
हाँ पाला कीर्तनवादी लोग हैं पाला कीर्तन करते हैं ना हैं?
what
एक
Kirtan?
बार
Bala
देते हैं।
Kirtan. This is
हाँ,
what
रामकृष्ण
they give this example in Ramakrishna. They keep on giving the example. They are so foolish.
बोले सीता माया
This Krishna mission.
Кришна Вишну,
You know the Advaita Acharyas.
это Рама
और वो
Кришна,
राम ब्रह्म है
Like Ram is Brahman, yeah,
और
Bhagwan.
लक्ष्मण जीव है
And Lakshman is Jiva.
они говорят, что Шри Рам это
लक्ष्मण भक्त के
And Sita is Maya. So if they say if you remove the Maya, then Lakshman can meet with Ram. So Jiva meets Bhagwan.
Майей, но когда Джива, она воплотится в
इसका
считанные
गलत
года.
और क्या हाँ क्या क्या पहले क्या क्या बोला चार जो शंकराचार्य कहते हैं
The Shankaracharya's Vedanta darshan.
Шанкарачарья, которые
वेदांत के चार प्रकरण बताए
He showed us so
अधिकारी प्रकरण अधिकारी
So,
प्रकरण में
reasons.
शंकराचार्य जो है सदैव भक्त में लिखते जा रहे हैं पढ़ना उसको।
Shankaracharya is writing. If you listen to Vedanta,
писала об этом.
ये शंकराचार्य क्या बोलते जा रहे हैं वेदांत दर्शन की
शंकराचार्य-
पवित्र अधिकारी कौन है
he's given who is adhikari, who is qualified to have darshan.
मुक्ति की इच्छा
First he said mukti ichha.
क्या है ब्रह्मलीन
What is that mukti ichha? You should have desired for mukti, and what is that mukti is to merge with the Brahmaling.
और दूसरी क्या है
And ling means meet.
संसार की
And
नित्य
then-
अनित्यता ज्ञान होगी
And then this material life is false.
जैसे समय जो मोहम्मद में लिखा दिया सर काशवकांता कस्य पुत्र संशयमति को विचित्र सप्ततुंगा प्रतीत आय सदियों सप्त चिंत्य भाग है ये सबसे खर्चा है ये सब है और
And
शंकर जी के जो शंकराचार्य के जो
Shankaracharya's philosophy.
कथित जो श्लोक जो है
The slok is
उसके ऊपर ज्ञान होनी चाहिए
Основа
है
на
इसको मायावाद श्लोक एक कहते हैं उसको मायावाद में हम तो लोग कहते हैं
we are telling them Mayavad, but they think the Shankaracharya's philosophy, we have to, if you go into Mayavadi, if you go to Haridwar, they'll teach you all these slokas. You won't find these slokas in Shastras. The Shastras slokas they teach.
बिल्कुल पक्का कर देंगे क्योंकि वो एक बार जब मायावाद 2000 हृदय बसी चित्त कहा वज्र समझ है
In Chaitanya Charitamrita it says that
इसलिए उन लोगों के पास जाओ
if you go to them, they will make you pakka, like, sometimes I've seen that this Advaita Acharyas, they have got, that's it, they will brainwash you. So you are very fortunate that you didn't go to Shankar Bhat, that you came direct to Gaudiya Math. You didn't go. Once you go into Mayavadi, they will brainwash you with so many sources. Yes, somehow or the other, they will take you in Mayavadi philosophy. Like they will. Isn't that true? Yes. Whosever food you eat, right? Then that you cannot digest that rice. Yeah. So sometimes, sometimes they come to the mud. I've seen that they come to our mud. The brahmacharis came. We saw brahmacharis, they came from that Mayavadi. But then they left. It's not that easy. Once you are in Mayavadi, even Chaitanya. So if you are once, if you have a height, yes, in Jaiva Dharma it says, if you are once Sannyasi Thakur, how did he become Vaishnava Das? Because he had Haitiki Kripa. Once you are in that Siddhanta, once you are trapped in that Siddhanta, they will do so firm with you. They'll put the Siddhanta in your head so firmly. So I said, the Shankaracharya's vichar, you should know that philosophy. And the fourth was
हम जिस कथा प्रसंग कर रहे सर्व भट्टाचार्य महाप्रभु वो जो कहा
Nityanand Prabhu told, hey, Sarvatra, or he's saying to Sarva Bhattacharya, he's saying to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you gave him shelter or he gave you shelter? So listening to that, Sarva Bhattacharya got very angry and he said, I gave Mahaprabhu the shelter. And then Nityanand Prabhu is saying the opposite. Actually, what Nityanand Prabhu is saying is the truth. Yes, because of Mahaprabhu's kripa, Sarva Bhattacharya had darshan of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That was the reason why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Jagannath Puri. That was the reason after taking sannyas, he came to Jagannath Puri. He is to come. He said that I have to also deliver these Mayavadis. The Mahaprabhu said, I have to also deliver these Mayavadis. And Kodava, Pudava.
इन लोग को उद्धार करने में।
I have to deliver them as well.
इसलिए महाप्रभु कहने लगे,
That's why Mahaprabhu said, at least I will take sannyas.
प्रणाम।
Then if I take sannyas, then they will pay obeisances to me and they'll pay pranam.
और महाप्रभु के ऐसे इस प्रकार देख करके कहने लगे, देखो
Then
तुमने
Mahaprabhu
वेदांत
said,
अध्ययन नहीं किया ना,
you haven't studied Vedanta.
शंकर शंकराचार्य की,
Sankaracharya
जगत गुरु शंकराचार्य
Jagadguru.
की वेदांत अध्ययन करने पर तुम्हारे ये सब बातुलता, बातुलता समझ लो, मैग्नेट,
Madness. This is madness, you know, this is all mind madness, the madness. You know, like if somebody speaks very nicely, then you say ha ha ha. If somebody speaks sad katha, then you cry. So it's like, what is it? It's just a man. So Sarva Bhattacharya is saying it's all to do with mind. It's nothing. But if you take Vedanta darshan, then he teaches. He said, teach Vedanta. He said, I will teach you Vedanta. Mahaprabhu was there for. He said, Mahaprabhu said, Vedanta, I haven't even studied Vedanta. But between me and you, we also have a relationship, you know, on the parental side, that there is Nana, the mother side. Who is the Mahaprabhu? Is the Nana, mother's mother. Sachi Mata's mother, Nilamba Chakravati, sorry, the father. So he's saying, so we have relationship, maternal relationship, and then you took sannyas. That's why. He said, study Vedanta. What happens? If you take sannyas and you haven't studied Vedanta, what's the point of taking sannyas? You don't know the Vedanta. So he spoke Vedanta so beautifully. Then Sarva Bhattacharya spoke so well about Vedanta, and then the disciples used to say, you are a Jagat Guru. The works are, you know, they say, speaking so nicely. All the difficulties we have now, everything, all the difficulties now, it's become. He spoke so well, like it became like water. Wherever. By that he spoke so well. We all understood, like how nicely you explained. Sarva Bhattacharya said, hey sannyasi, this is. He spoke 7 days. He said, so he's telling sannyasi, I've been speaking for these 7 days, but you know, you haven't said a single word. You know, you haven't given any response. You know, yes, so you would cry all life, but you have so no response at all. So, have you not got any questions? So, the Mahaprabhu said, I don't understand it. You show me. You tell me. So he said, oh, well, if you don't understand, then you should ask me. Then you should ask. Shishya, when Shishya is with Gurudev, the Shishya will ask questions that please have kripa on me and make me understand this. I don't understand this. But Bas, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is telling Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you don't have any questions, you've just kept quiet. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, the main slok you are talking, like a Surya. But when you do workshop, it's like you're saying, it's like what you're speaking is like the clouds. The clouds come and cover the sun. But what is it? It's simple. What your Vedanta, Vyasadeva said, is simple. but you have altered
और
it.
सारे अर्थ के क्या करते
You have, what did you do with the meaning? You have done opposite of the words.
गलत है
Because what you are teaching is not right, it's incorrect, it's false. What you are, so Sarva Bhattacharya started to shake. He started to shake. So if
सारे शरीर ऐसे कपने लगे
his body started to shake.
तुम एक नवीन सन्यासी
And you are sannyasi, got angry.
मैं सर्व भट्टाचार्य
Do you realize who I am? I am Sarva Bhattacharya.
सन्यासी को मैंने
How many? I've given Vedanta's philosophy, Vedanta, so many sannyasis and so many people I've given sannyas to. But you are like a child.
अच्छा भूल है
And you are like this.
गलत है
You are telling me that I'm preaching you. What I'm saying is false.
अच्छा करके खाते हैं मन क्रोध से
So in anger,
क्रोध होता है ना
he had anger.
क्रोध होता है
He had so much anger
कंट्रोल कर देता है
that he couldn't control his body. The body started to shake.
All these compulsions body my
ऐसे
pопросил
अरे कौन सा
и находился в очень
चैतन्य
глубоком
महाप्रभु
вере.
एक श्लोक की जो है उच्चारण।
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started by one slok. He used to speak and he said, this is the meaning of the sloks.
भगवान की निराकार करते कि भगवान की सत्य में कहा कि नहीं
Yeah, this is what. So like that he went one by slok
उदाहरण दिया
and he gave example for every slok.
सर्वभट्टाचार्य जो सारे
Sarva Bhattacharya.
अंत में
In the end,
महाप्रभु उनको क्या दिखाया
Mahaprabhu showed him what he is, who he is,
और उस दर्शन दिया
and then he gave darshan. Then Sarva Bhattacharya became, he surrendered to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's lotus feet. And then he didn't even want to hear Mukti Katha.
Первоначально